Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert spaylater to gcash. So there are two methods. In the method 1 you need to using spaylater to buy load or voucher. First you need to open the Shopee app. Ensure you have spaylater activated and sufficient credit available. Once you have, you need to purchase load or e-wallet voucher. Navigate to the load bills and travel section of Shopee and buy mobile load or an e-wallet voucher like gcash or paymaya using spaylater as a payment method, and then you need to sell the voucher. If you bought mobile load, you can sell it to someone for cash. If you bought a gcash voucher, simply redeem it into your gcash account, and then you need to receive the cash in gcash. If you sold the load, ask the buyer to transfer the payment to your gcash account. If you redeem the Gcash voucher, the amount will be added to your Gcash balance directly. And in the second method, you need to using spaylater to buy an item and sell it. So first you need to purchase a high resale item on Shopee. Use your spaylater credit to buy an item with high resale value, example gadgets or some electronics. And then you need to sell the item. You need to sell the purchase item on a marketplace or to someone directly. Receive payment in Gcash. Ask the buyer to pay you via Gcash. So this is a process how you can convert spaylater into Gcash. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.